Hopefully you can hear me over top of the wind. Out of nowhere, we just got one hell of a storm brewing. If you look out on the horizon, you can see where the sun is still shining and it's nice and clear out in the distance. But over here, it's really bad. The wind is picking up. The rain's getting ready to start. Maysville's already getting pounded with rain so bad that you can't see 3 foot in front of your car. I don't know if you can really tell by the video, but these clouds are moving fast. The rain's starting to get harder now. The wind's already blowing probably about 25-30 miles an hour. You can see how nasty those clouds look. Couple of spots in between. With any luck, judging by what's back there, it won't last long if it lasts at all. Doesn't look good, that's for sure. The wind keeps changing directions. Look, watch the clouds. You can see how fast they're moving. It's not a pretty sight. Just hope to God we ain't looking at a tornado coming or worse. Won't be long and you're not even going to be able to see the horizon anymore. Thunder's getting louder. It seems to be coming from the direction I'm pointing now. Raindrops are getting heavier. I don't know how well you can see them trees, but they're just a blowing.